Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on Amazon. While Amazon does not directly support Apple Pay, there is a simple workaround. You can use your Apple Card or a virtual card from another bank that is linked to your Apple Pay wallet. First, you will need to add the details of this card to your Amazon account's payment methods. This allows you to leverage the security and convenience of your Apple Pay-linked cards for your Amazon purchases. To add your Apple Card, open the Wallet app on your iPhone and select your Apple Card. Then, tap the three dots icon in the top right corner to reveal your card's details, including the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and 3-digit security code. Carefully enter these details into the Add a Payment Method section within your Amazon account settings. This securely links your Apple Card for future purchases. If you prefer not to use your physical Apple Card number, or if you use another bank, consider a virtual card. Many banks provide a service to generate a unique, temporary virtual card number for online transactions. Access this feature through your bank's mobile application or website. Once generated, simply add this virtual card number to your Amazon payment methods, just as you would any other credit or debit card. When you are ready to complete your Amazon purchase, proceed to checkout. On the payment page, simply select the Apple Card or virtual card you previously added to your Amazon account. Double-check all your order details, including shipping address and billing information, to ensure accuracy. Finally, confirm your purchase, and your transaction will be processed using the card linked to your Apple Pay wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.